5 years ago, I set off on a mission to make the personal trainer experience available to everyone, because I believe that every heart and soul deserves to be fit.
Since then, we've made over 1,230 videos and given away over 60 million workouts worldwide.
In our wildest dreams, we would never have imagined how big HASfit would get.
The HASfit family is growing fast, but unfortunately, with all of this growth, leads to more expenses.
We need money to replace broken production equipment. We're running out of server space on our website. We need more hard drives. We could really use a Mac that doesn't crash every 5 minutes. And I mean, the list just goes on.
Would you believe that we shoot the videos with just these 2 iPhones? Keeping HASfit free is the most important thing to us. So how can we pay for these expenses?
Without selling you a DVD program for $150 or just becoming one big giant commercial.
Oh my God, you should totally buy this magic weight loss tea.
OMG, I lost nearly 100 pounds in just 1 week. You can do it too.
It works.
So what if there was another way?
Where instead of focusing on dollars, we focused on impact. And instead of measuring our progress by profits, we measured it by results.
That's where Patreon comes in. It's a new platform that allows you to support HASfit's mission with a monthly pledge.
Each pledge comes with rewards, like access to our patron-only feed, early VIP access to our workouts, and monthly Q&A sessions with us.
Now, just to be clear, HASfit is still completely free and always will be. This is just a new way for you to support HASfit's mission and get some awesome rewards in return.
We can only hit our goals with your help.
We want to release new programs with all of the new high-quality workout videos.
Speed up the website and get rid of all the ads.
We want to update the HASfit Personal Trainer app and make it free.
And we'll be asking for your ideas and input every step of the way, because none of this even exists without you.
We strive to be a positive light in a world full of hate and negativity.
And to provide just the right amount of coaching to help you reach your full potential and become as great as you are destined to be.
We're asking for your help to keep HASfit going.
Because we honestly can't continue without you.